what matters most is changing and actually adding on to my career in a public speaking seminar presentation of the business that I'm in. And I have such a huge desire to accomplish this, but almost equally is this fear of failure. And
well, our encouragement to you is that you think about what you do want, don't think about what you don't want. Talk about what you do want, don't talk about what you don't want. Tell everyone about what you do want, tell no one about what you don't want. Make lists of the things that have worked, don't talk about the things that do not work. In other words, just get on a sort of rampage of appreciation. If you find yourself trying to do that and not able to do that, then get off that topic altogether and get on to something else. The thing that we most want you to hear is that you've asked, the universe has answered, now you just got to find a way to get the valve open. Next.
Abraham, you've revolutionized my life, and I so much appreciate that. And there's not enough hours in the day to say all the things that you've done for me.
Don't need them.
Right now, I'm building an incredible music business.
Yes.
And my keyboard skills are great. My guitar's great. Skills are fine. I can compose. I can't sing. I want to sing, and I don't want to take lessons, and I don't want to take years. Can you help me sing?
Well, when you are in vibrational harmony with who you are, the best of you comes forth. And we have to say to you that there have been some very powerful and very famous and very well sought after singers who could not sing. In other words, it's the way they let their spirit flow through. So the first thing that we would begin doing is we would stop saying we can't sing. We would start saying things like, I have a different sound and I have a different approach to this. And the music flows through me in a unique way. And people resonate to the music that flows. And what singing is about anyway is about bringing people to the resonance with their source. And I do most of that with my music, but every now and again I want to be the instrument too. And so I let my voice be another instrument that meshes with the other instruments that are involved, and together we sort of co-create the music, and the music will flow through you in a very powerful way. You can sing. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, indeed. Yes. On the aisle right here.
Thank you, Joe.
Jerry was on the bill for years with a man named Woo Woo Stevens. He played a banjo and he could not sing, and he didn't know it. He couldn't play the banjo either. But he always brought down the house. He always was the last one on the bill. No one could ever follow him. They wanted more woo-woo, woo-woo, woo-woo. We want more woo-woo. What he had was enthusiasm. What he had was love of what he was doing. What he had was being in love with life and wanting to present it to the audience. What he had was bringing the audience alive and bringing them into vibrational harmony with who they are. And they loved it, you see. There is so much different music, so many different sounds of music. It's not possible for you to please them all. In fact, you can only please a small percentage of them at any time anyway. So don't be critical about the music that you're offering. Get connected with Source and let it flow. And when you love what you're doing, they'll love what you're doing even if they don't like your music. Yes.